Hello everybody, in this video we're going to make beautiful flower gardens. So paste the grass and stem using green craft paper. Now take pink craft paper and cut the flowers. We are making these heart shaped flowers here, so paste them using double-sided tape. Curl the petals like we're doing here and paste all of them on the craft paper. We're also pasting green leaves, and look, your artwork is ready. We're going to paint these tissue papers and make small pieces of them using scissors. After that, we are going to put clay balls on the sheet of paper and dab all the colorful tissue paper inside it using a toothpick. Cover the entire clay like this, and look, your flower is ready. You can make more colorful flowers like this, like red and pink. Paste its leaves and a flower pot, and look, it is ready. Cut small strips of paper and roll them from both its ends. After that, we are going to paste it on the sheet of paper. Now make more such rolled strip of paper and paste all of them, and look, your flower is ready. After this, we are going to add more details, like we are reducing the size of the strips and paste it like this, and look, your flowers are ready. Paste its leaves and stem, and it's done. In this video, we are going to make a beautiful flower garden. So take two different color circles and paste all of them together. We are punching here, and look, your flower is ready. Now open it and paste it using double-sided tape. Paste all the petals, and look, your flower is ready. Make more such flowers and paste all of them on the sheet of paper. Paste its leaves and stem, and it's done. Now take a square yellow craft paper and start folding it from its diagonals. We are making an origami butterfly here, so fold it and make a triangular shape. Further fold it and curve the edges. It is for the wings of the butterfly. Now fold it like this. Gently open it, and look, your butterfly is ready. Make two butterflies and paste it on the sheet of paper, and it's done. Cut a pink petal, curl it and paste it on the sheet of paper from one end, leaving the other end open. Paste many petals, and look, your flower is ready. We are going to cover this plastic cup using this yellow craft paper. Paste it at the center of the flower. Paste its leaves, and look, it is ready. And how pretty this artwork is looking. Cut many green strips of paper and paste all of them in a cross manner. We are making a bunch of red heart flower here, so cut the flower and paste all of them like this. Now we are going to make the bow by folding this red craft paper. Fold it from its sides, cut it, cover it using a yellow strip of paper, and it's done. We're going to cut this red strip of paper, fold it and paste it around the circle. We're making a beautiful flower here, and look, your flower is ready. Make more such flowers and paste it on the sheet of paper. Paste its leaves and stem, paste a bow as well, and look, your artwork is ready. Cut a red heart and paste it on the sheet of paper. Now we are going to paste two hearts 4 times and make a beautiful flower like we are doing here now. Paste its leaves and stem and paste a bow as well, and look, your beautiful heart flower is ready.